Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this adorable plush mermaid with long curly hair. The finished toy measures approximately 17 centimeters when crocheted with the same hook and yarn. I'll guide you step by step through the whole process, so just relax and enjoy creating with me. We'll start with the tail, body, and head, all made as one piece. Take your azure blue yarn and begin. Start with a magic base. Chain 2, then make 8 single crochets into the second chain from the hook. Continue with one round of 8 single crochets. Now we increase in every stitch to get 16 stitches. And crochet one round even. Next, work one single crochet, increase around to reach 24 stitches, and crochet 2 rounds straight. Then move on to 2 single crochets, increase. This brings us to 32 stitches. And crochet one more round even. After that, shape the body by working 2 single crochets, decrease around to return to 24 stitches. Now switch to your soft pink yarn. Crochet 2 rounds even. Then begin decreasing. 1 single crochet, decrease around to get 16 stitches. Followed by 1 round straight. Next, decrease all around to 8 stitches. And then start increasing again to shape the upper body. Increase to 16 stitches. Then 1 single crochet, increase to 24. Take your time with this step. It's better to do it neatly so everything looks nice. And 2 single crochets, increase to 32. Continue crocheting evenly for 5 rounds. At this point, insert the safety eyes between rounds 21 and 22, about 4 stitches apart. Now we close the head, work 2 single crochets, decrease to get 24 stitches, one round even. Then one single crochet, decrease to 16 stitches, and finally decrease all the way down to 8. And now we gently close the head. Cut the yarn, thread your needle, and pass it through the front loops of the stitches. Pull softly to close the hole, then hide the yarn inside. We're almost there, just a little bit left. Now let's make the arms. Take your soft pink yarn and start with a chain of 2. Work 7 single crochets into the second chain from the hook. Then just crochet 7 single crochets in each round for the next 6 rounds. Keep it simple and even here. Once you're done, fold the piece in half. Crochet both sides together with slip stitches to close it. Leave a long yarn tail. We'll use it later for sewing. Now, moving on to the ears. Using the same soft pink yarn, chain 2, make 6 single crochets into the first chain, then finish with a slip stitch. and again, leave a long tail for sewing. And that's it for this part. In this tutorial, we've completed the full base of our mermaid. The body, head, arms, and placed the eyes. She's already looking so cute, right? In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to make her swimsuit, tail, those beautiful curly hair details, and of course, we'll bring her face to life. See you in the next part.